Deep in the uncharted jungles of Central America, a discovery has shaken the very foundations of archaeology. A colossal structure hidden for centuries beneath a thick canopy of trees has emerged. Its scale is so massive, so awe-inspiring, that it rivals, and perhaps even surpasses, the Great Pyramid of Giza. This is no ordinary find, this is a game-changer. This is the Maya giant. The sheer size of the structure is nothing short of breathtaking. Initial estimates suggest that the base of the structure covers an area significantly larger than its Egyptian counterpart. While the exact dimensions are still being calculated, one thing is certain. This is one of the largest ancient structures ever discovered. The Maya giant promises to rewrite everything we thought we knew about this ancient civilization. It's a humbling reminder of the power and ingenuity of the people who came before us. The Maya giant is located in a remote and largely unexplored region of the Guatemalan jungle. Hidden within the dense rainforest, shrouded in mystery and reclaimed by nature, this monumental structure has remained concealed for centuries. Its existence was only hinted at in fragmented local legends passed down through generations. These whispered tales spoke of a lost city in the clouds, a place of power and grandeur swallowed by the jungle. Now, thanks to a combination of cutting-edge technology and good old-fashioned exploration, the legends are coming to life. The Maya giant is not just a single structure, it is part of a sprawling complex of interconnected buildings, plazas and causeways. This lost city, once a vibrant hub of Maya civilization, is gradually revealing its secrets. Each stone, each carving whispers tales of a complex and sophisticated society, a civilization that flourished centuries ago. Uncovering the Maya giant was no walk in the park. The dense jungle posed a formidable challenge to even the most seasoned explorers. Towering trees, their roots forming a tangled web beneath the forest floor, obscured the structure from aerial view. The humid air hung heavy, thick with the sounds of insects and the calls of unseen creatures. Previous expeditions had been hampered by the unforgiving terrain and limited by the technology of the time. The jungle had guarded its secrets jealously, but now, armed with new tools and an unyielding determination, archaeologists were finally ready to penetrate its defenses. It was a race against time, a battle against the elements, to reclaim this lost city from the clutches of the jungle. What was once hidden beneath a thick canopy of foliage is now being revealed with astounding clarity. Cutting-edge technology played a pivotal role in unearthing the Maya giant. Lidar, or light detection and ranging technology mounted on aircraft, allowed researchers to peer through the dense jungle canopy. The lidar data, transformed into detailed three-dimensional maps, revealed the unmistakable contours of a massive man-made structure. This groundbreaking technology, combined with the traditional archaeological methods, allowed for a targeted and efficient excavation. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras provided a bird's-eye view of the site, aiding in the planning and execution of the dig. The Maya giant, once lost to the ages, was now emerging from the shadows, its secrets ready to be unveiled. Each stone unearthed, every carving meticulously documented, adds a piece to the puzzle of Maya civilization. The Maya giant is not just a testament to the architectural prowess of this ancient culture. It is a treasure trove of information. Intricate carvings on the walls depict scenes from Maya mythology, rituals and daily life. These intricate works of art provide invaluable insights into the beliefs, values and social structure of the Maya people. They offer a glimpse into a world that has long since faded, a world of kings and queens, priests and warriors, a world where gods and goddesses played an active role in the lives of mortals. The Maya giant is not just a structure, it is a history book etched in stone. Deep within the labyrinthine corridors of the Maya giant, archaeologists stumbled upon a discovery that sent chills down their spines. In a chamber, sealed for centuries, they uncovered a royal tomb. The tomb's occupant, adorned with jade ornaments and surrounded by offerings fit for a king, lay undisturbed. This wasn't just any burial, it was the final resting place of a powerful ruler, a figure who played a pivotal role in Maya history. The discovery of the tomb, a moment frozen in time, sent shockwaves through the archaeological community. It was a poignant reminder of the humanity of the Maya people, of their beliefs in the afterlife, and of the reverence they held for their rulers. The discovery of the Maya giant is more than just an archaeological triumph, it's a paradigm shift. It challenges our understanding of the Maya civilization, a culture often viewed through the lens of its enigmatic collapse. The sheer scale of the structure, the complexity of its design, and the artistry of its carvings all point to a civilization at the height of its power. This find compels us to re-evaluate our assumptions about the Maya. It forces us to acknowledge their ingenuity, their capacity for organization, their sophisticated understanding of mathematics and astronomy. The Maya giant is a testament to the enduring legacy of this remarkable civilization, a legacy that continues to inspire awe and wonder even today. The story of the Maya giant is far from over. This is just the beginning of a long and exciting journey of discovery. As archaeologists continue to excavate the site, they are uncovering new layers of history, new pieces of the puzzle that is the Maya civilization, and you can be a part of this incredible adventure. Follow our expedition online as we delve deeper into the heart of the Maya giant. We'll be sharing exclusive photos, videos, and updates from the field, giving you a front-row seat to this historic discovery. Together, let's explore the mysteries of the past and unravel the secrets of this lost civilization. The Maya giant is a powerful reminder that the past is never truly gone. It's out there, waiting to be discovered, hidden beneath layers of time and obscured by the relentless march of nature. But with curiosity as our compass and exploration as our guide, we can uncover these hidden wonders and learn from the civilizations that came before us. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never stop being amazed by the world around you. Adventure awaits.